All right, next question. Which of the following does not represent 1/4? So I'm looking for the one that's going to have a big X next to it because I'm looking for the one that does not represent 1/4. Okay, so let's look at letter A. How many pieces in your whole do we have in letter A? Good job. There are 4 pieces. And how many of those pieces are shaded? 1 of the 4 pieces are shaded. Well, that represents 1/4. And I'm going to give you a little hint. When it's asking for something that does not represent or is not going to be an answer or does not match or has the word not in your word problem, answer choice letter A is always going to be what it is. It's always going to be a true statement, and they do that to try to trick you. So we really have to pay attention to the word not, okay? Let's look at letter B. How many pieces do we have in our whole in letter B? We have 4 pieces. And how many are shaded? Just 1. So 1/4 is shaded. That matches what the question is asking of representing 1/4. Letter C. How many pieces do we have here? There are 4 pieces, but if you have already looked at this and noticed that those are not equal in size, you are correct. So this is not going to be a fraction because your fractions are going to be equal pieces, and these are not equal pieces. So this is going to get an X. And then let's look at letter D. How many circles do we have here? We have 4 circles. That's going to be your denominator because that is the total number of pieces in your whole. And then how many are shaded? Just 1. So 1/4 of your circles are shaded. That's going to get a big check mark. So when you're looking for the one that does not represent 1/4, you have 3 check marks and 1 X. So you're going to circle the answer choice with the X next to it.